How to change your profile picture on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here, and after that click these 3 points and then click here on your account, and that's it. Now just all you need to do, just click update profile picture, and here we'll find photo library and camera. Now just you can change it from your gallery or your camera, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.